Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions, and in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how to pay yourself using the Td Ameritrade platform. So, yeah, I'm on the Td Ameritrade website. You guys could Google it if you guys want to use it, but this is pretty much what I do at the end of the month when it comes down to paying myself. Like I've said before, I normally like to have about $25,000 to $30,000 in my account at the start of the month. This allows me to be above the PDT rule and allows me to trade with a certain account value that will get me at least to my daily goal and my weekly goal. For those that are new to my channel, my name is Ricky. I run the largest YouTube channel and private Facebook group for those who invest in the stock market. Be sure to click the links down below to stay connected. And I really hope that you guys at least learn something new or enjoy this video. And if you guys do, we'd really appreciate the thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get right to it. I'm going to move myself just a little bit over. Here we go. So you're going to sign into your Td Ameritrade account. You just go to account, you go to withdrawals, right? And at the end of the month, if this is something that you want to do, again, you don't have to. You can just go to withdrawals. You do have to set up your account already. I've had my Td Ameritrade account for at least the beginning of this year. So I have it all set up. I'm going to go ahead and bring my account back down to that $30,000 price point. So that's $26,959. The really cool thing about this is that all I have to do is click continue, make sure that everything looks correct. I'm going to make sure that I blur, the overall routing number out. But yeah, it's just a one-time thing, and I'm going to click submit. And again, there you have it. My overall withdrawal to my personal account is all done. You guys can see that it was all sent there. So the $26,959 is what I was able to profit off of. Again, it really depends on the month. I could have brought it down to $25,000. Usually I started at around $25,000. Sometimes I like to start it at $30,000. It doesn't really matter. Again, I just wanted to show you kind of like how to do that for those that think that maybe your account value is getting to a point where you want to take home and lock in some of the profits and actually put it back into your account. I really hope that this video can at least provide some insight on how to compensate yourself, or altogether, if you just want to remove the money from your account, how to withdraw it from your TD Ameritrade account and put it back to your bank account. And it's that simple. Literally takes 1 or 2 minutes once you have your account already set up, and that's really just it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you have any questions whatsoever on what it is that we do within TechBot Solutions or Learn Plan Profit, feel free to let me know. I'd love to stay connected. Again, if you want to watch me trade live every single day, we'd love to be a part of your success. So be sure to click that first link down in the description. You can watch me trade live every single morning, Monday through Friday, as long as the market's open. At market open, I trade live for about 45 minutes to an hour every single day. So you get to see my entries, you get to see my exits, but that's not the point. It's really for me to share my thought process on why I see value and the overall patterns and directions. And I also get to answer your questions in real time. If you just want to watch a couple more of my videos and you just want to become more familiar with my investing style, I would encourage you to check out our helpful video playlist that can give you a better understanding of my investing style, what has led to my success, and effort for it to hopefully act as a positive catalyst for your success as well. Thank you guys again for everything it is that you guys do. Be sure to click that first link in the description again just to check it out. And if you have about 4 to 5 minutes, be sure to check out that fourth link in the description that will guide you on over to our free Facebook group of over 170,000 members, making us the largest Facebook group for those who invest in the stock market. Hopefully I earned you guys a thumbs up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.